Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix half-sword game crashing, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users click on Steam option, click on exit. After that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once it restarts, now check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Just note down the path over here. So this is the application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If you cannot launch the game, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Similarly, for GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off in-game, enable in-game overlay options from there. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So it may take some time, you have to wait for some time. After the game files are verified, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, first go to the Windows search, now search for Windows security. Click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings and here you have to search for the game, that is half-sword game. So the game is listed over here. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, after selecting it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search, now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, now click on general. Here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, again come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search, now search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So go to the game folder, Steam apps, common. Here is the game folder, select the game application. Now add it to the list. After it is added, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, next method is to check graphics settings of the game. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game. And this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next is to delete save game file. So for that, you have to go to the user folder first. I will show you. Manage, or you can simply go to the game folder, file explorer. Now here you have to open the users folder, click on your name folder, and after that here you have to open the app data folder. So if you cannot find the app data, click on view and then click on show, and here you have to select hidden items. So it will show app data folder. Open it, go to the local, and here you have to search for the games folder. So go below, here is the game folder, open it, and here you can see saved folder. So simply, if you want to take a backup, you can take a backup anywhere else, and after that click on the delete option. Once you delete the saved data folder, now again launch the game and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. So after the website opens, go below, click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. Now here you will get repair or install option. Now click on repair and wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, close this, and now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch Steam and again log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the Windows search, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and then check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Half-Sword game. So when the issue continues, then you should reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC once and then launch Steam and again reinstall Half-Sword game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's opening or not. So these are few suggested solutions that will surely help to fix Half-Sword game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, won't start, lagging, freezing, showing black screen, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.